Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on some 9 hotels that are going to be built in Jamaica over the next 4 years. 9 hotels. And the value put on these hotels is $2.5 billion. Now there are other massive projects, billion-dollar hotel projects, but they are not on this list. Just the ones that are going to start between now and 2028. So we're going to talk about those 9. Now, if you drive anywhere between Negril and Ocherius, you're going to see massive hotels being built. Massive. The tourism industry in Jamaica has gone to another level. Really have to give credit to the Minister of Tourism. He has done an exceptional job with tourism in Jamaica. And yes, guys, we're not a political channel, but we talk about developments, and the minister is getting these hotels built. Alright, so the government disclosed in foreign market filings that there are US 2.5 billion worth of projects to be executed over the medium term. And these projects will bring approximately 8,700 new rooms to Jamaica. Okay, so quickly we're going to go through the properties. The properties and projected investments include Amarita Resort Development at Stewart Castle's Trelawney, US 200 million, Palm Beach Villas, US 40 million, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, US 800 million, Princess Resort, US 500 million, Sandals Duns River Golf Resort and Spa Phase 1 and 2, US 280 million, Viva Windham, US 300 million, Secrets Resorts, US 210 million, Ria, US 100 million, Harmonization, US 25 million, Villa Janus, US 16 million, and Unico 1877 Hotel Montego Bay. Well, they didn't list start date, an amount. And Viva Windham is going to be built in Negril, and Secrets, I think, is going to be built in Montego Bay on the same property that currently has a hotel. And they say all but 3 projects are to get underway by 2025. The exceptions being Amatiro, Hard Rock, and Harmonization, for which no timelines were announced. And then they say the Harmony Cove Casino Resort project, in which the Jamaican government has a stake, was previously listed in the reports at US 898 million for its Phase 1 development. And that hotel, the first phase, is going to be 1,000 hotel rooms, and when all the phases are finished, it's going to be 5,000 hotel rooms. So a lot is going on in Jamaica in terms of building hotels. And as we said earlier, there are some massive hotel projects that are in the pipeline that haven't started yet. These will bring 8,700 new rooms, but when all the projects are completed, Jamaica will have up to 50,000 hotel rooms. They're currently at about 30,000, and they'll get to 50,000. And something we have to note is a lot of the hotels that operate in Jamaica are expanding or setting up new locations. Like the Bahia Hotel in St. Anne, which is currently the largest hotel in Jamaica. They are spending $1 billion to build 2 more hotels on the same property in St. Anne. Down in Hanover, same thing. $1 billion project to build another hotel on the property. Secrets, building more hotels. Wyndham, I don't know if they have any hotel currently in Jamaica under the Wyndham name, but they've had before. Wyndham Rose Hall, I'm not sure if it's still operational, and Wyndham was in New Kingston. Now they're building one in Negril. Sandals will always be building hotels in Jamaica. They have all over the Caribbean. Rio opened its 7th hotel, and now they're looking to set up their 8th hotel in Jamaica. So definitely when it comes on to tourism, Jamaica is doing extremely well. Companies that have invested in hotels in Jamaica are expanding or setting up more. That speaks volumes as to where Jamaica will reach one day with tourism. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.